Hello my people, hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to cook stew liver. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end. For my new viewers, please subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Yeah, so I decided today it's a liver. So I'm starting by removing the membrane. Hey, it's hard, the struggle of removing that membrane, man. So yeah, as you can see, remove the membrane and watch the video to the end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, hapo nimemaliza, I'm done removing the membrane. So now I'm cutting my liver into pieces, the pieces that you like, the sizes that you want. Yeah, so watch the video till the end and see how I did. I cook my liver. Yep. There, our liver is ready. It looks delicious. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment anything that you want me to do, and I'll do it. Don't forget to like and share. Yep, hope you enjoy this and see you to my next video. Bye. Let me enjoy my liver with ugali.